Yo, what's up YouTube? What's up RedClay family? Boy, I'm running late. I'm super late. It's about to be 10 o'clock, man. And I'm just now trying to get in the woods. My son had his last football game of the season this morning. So I'm just now getting back to the house. He played 6U, so they played early. They played at 8:30. Played at 8:30. In about 9:15. I don't stay that far from the park, so I'm just getting back home. Finna try to get everything situated. Get in these woods. I ain't really tripping because we in the RUT here in Georgia. We're here down here in middle Georgia. So they're gonna be moving all day. So I'm not really too pressed about being late, even though I don't like to be late. I hate being late. I hate it. I hate being late, y'all. It's a real pet peeve of mine, for real. It's a real pet peeve of mine. But like I said, we in the middle of the RUT. So I know that they're gonna be moving all day. So I'm not too bummed about being late. I need to get me a new container. I'm breaking my container. I keep all my dead stuff in. I'm breaking it to pieces, y'all. Oh, it don't did its job. The owner had it about 3 years. It's on the third season, so it definitely has done its job. It was a little cheap one, so I ain't getting real heavy duty. For those of y'all that been wondering, I use an AR style platform on hunt. 300 blackout. That's my caliber of choice. I know a lot of people got negative things to say and opinions about the 300 blackout. But one thing about it, two things for sure. In the last 3 years, this gun killed about 7 deers. I ain't never lost one. And never had to track one more than 150 yards, 100 yards, really. And sometimes not even close to that. Like these deers, with this gun, man, these deers dropping within 30, 40 yards after I shoot them. So I ain't never lost a deer. I ain't never had a problem finding no blood trail or anything. So I'm a big advocate, and I can vouch for that 300 blackout. Yep, and y'all wondering, I'm using the Hornady 300 blackout deer extreme, the deer extreme. That's what I'm running. I know it's a 30 round clip, but I only got 5 bullets in here. It's hard for me to find a 5 round or a 10 round 300 blackout mag. If y'all know where they at, point your boy in the right direction, man. If y'all know where they at, point me in the right direction. So I got them charged, got them on safety. Put this back up in there. All right, I'm on water with snacks. Gotta get my hand in there. I'm gonna be hunting all day. Gotta get my flashlights. definitely plan on being in these woods all day till dark today. Got everything I need. I'm gonna say everyday care, rifle, snacks, water, coffee, chair. We good to go. Let's head to the barn. Tap back in with y'all. But I'm getting ready to walk into the woods and show y'all what blind I'm going to. We're going to the home field. We're going to home field today. So I'll tap back in a little while and show y'all when I'm headed to the one I'm about to be set up. Hey, what's up, RedClay family? I'm finally settled into my blind. I had a hard time getting set up. I got all the way to my blind and realized I left my chair on the back of my truck. So I had to turn around and go get my chair. But yeah, man. I got in here super late today, man. I'm just not getting my blind. It's 10, I got in here about 10:18. I wanted to be here before daylight, but, priorities. My son had his last season game today. So I went to my son's football game. Came straight home to the woods. We're gonna be in the woods all day. The RUT is officially on. I seen a few tracing on the trail cameras. I should see one in person too. So I'm posted. Guys. And see what pops out for me. It's kind of a hot day for real. Temperature it rose up today. About 68 degrees. Or about 65, 68 degrees. But it was been in the 40s every day before today. Supposed to get back to the 40s tomorrow, so I'm definitely gonna be in here first thing in the morning. But for right now, we sitting all day. some protein shakers with my coffee. Cause it's real insulated and keep that coffee smell down. RedClay family. I'm out here on my second day, man. Out here in this peak RUT in middle Georgia. Haven't seen nothing. I've seen 2 does in 2 days. So it's about to be 10 o'clock. Probably gonna sit to about 1. But yeah, it's been rough out here. Been real rough. It's beautiful, it's peaceful, it's calm and chill and everything, but yeah, ain't no action. Ain't had no action at all. But we good. So keep sitting, keep waiting, staying patient. Got my grunt collar, got my rattle bag. I don't know if I'm too early for it or not. I mean, just everything trial and error with this hunting shit. You know, you got certain shit that you know they guarantee gonna work, but it's a lot of shit. You never know with these deer, man. They do what they want to do. So, but, you know, we can do all the tricks and the things that we know to increase our chances. But at the same time, we can't control them. So I'm assuming the RUT is on. Cause shit is ghost right now. So hopefully I catch some chasing coming through. Or something coming through, looking for some does. It's rough out here, y'all. But we staying strong. This is day 2. I didn't get a lot of footage yesterday, but I got some, but not a lot. But I just, sometimes, man, I get in these woods and I like to pray, I like to meditate, I like to just be present in the woods, so I don't really be thinking about content. Not all the time. Those that y'all that do, hey, salute to you, man. I really love these woods and love being in the woods, so sometimes I like to just be present and at one with the woods. I don't be thinking about content sometimes. But it's fine. That's completely fine. Nothing wrong with that at all. It's rough out here, y'all. Yeah. I got my snacks with me. Some drink. So we'll see what's up. We'll definitely see what's up. I'm praying that something come through. Come through chasing. Come through looking for a doe. Come through trying to mark your territory. I got some mock scrapes on. So come hit these scrapes, man. Come hit these mock scrapes. Got a beautiful girl, this little gully down here. See this fence line? See that fence line? There's a creek bottom down there that runs. And oversized this fence too. This fence really irrelevant. This family land over here as well. So I hunt all of this too over there as well. So a lot of bucks and dogs like to bed up on top of that ridge, on top of them hills. They come down this little gully, eat some acorns, some corn. I leave minerals out there for them. Like I said, they got a natural creek bottom that run down through there, all the way down that fence line, down that way. So, got everything they need, man. I love hunting big woods, thick areas. I'm not really an open field guy, but teach his own. Just come in and tap in with y'all a little bit, give y'all some content, let y'all see what I see. And I'm finna get back quiet, see what come through. Day 2 of my RUT hunt, 2025 RUT hunt. It's day 2 for me. Alright. Coming up out of here, man. Finna go grab some lunch. I'm going to another spot this evening. Well, not evening, but afternoon. Finna take about an hour break and get right back in there around about noon, 1 o'clock. Sit for the rest of the day. But I've been in the woods since about 6:30. About 6:30, 6 o'clock this morning. So, finna, it's 11:20 right now. Gonna come out, go grab some lunch, take a bathroom break, head right back to the woods. Be sitting back in the woods by 1:30, 1 o'clock. All right, RedClay family. Just came by the house, got that good lunch in me, some extra water for the woods, and head back to a different spot right now. I got three nice spots near where I live. I got 3 nice spots near where I live. And I got 2 more spots. About 45 minutes or about an hour from the house. But yeah, I'm gonna head to my second spot and sit for the rest of this evening. I'll come out the woods. That dog. Like I said, man, the RUT is on. The RUT is on here in Monroe County, Georgia. Here in Middle Georgia. The RUT is on. Most definitely. So, you just, one of them times, man, where you just gotta be in the woods. You never know what's gonna come by and what time it's gonna come by. The trail camera's so inconsistent right now. So you just gotta be in the woods this time of the year. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get in these woods. Spend some time, as much time as I can in these woods. Spend as much time as I can in these woods. Hopefully we put some on the ground today. Nice big buck. That's all I want. I ain't shooting at no dog. Need a book. Yep, let me get out of this truck, get in these woods, and tap in with y'all when I get inside the blind. Yo, what's going on? What's up, YouTube, RedClay family? Hey, man, I'm back in the blind, chilling. Back in the blind, chilling, sitting patiently waiting. It's the RUT, so we sitting all day, baby. Hopefully I have something pop out. Back comfortable. Went and got me some lunch. And got me some good lunch. I think I probably had too heavy of a lunch, man. I almost got the itis in here. I want to go to sleep. But I'll be alright. Kick back. Listen to the book. Keep my eyes on the woods. May get a shot on something big. We'll see. We'll definitely see. But yeah, y'all stay tuned though, man. Finna get quiet, get comfortable. One of that monster to come through, slipping. Get back with y'all in a little bit. Alright, now I'm getting up out of here for the day. Daddy duty calls, so gotta go home and be a daddy. You got these woods, so that's what. Gotta end my hunt early today. Gotta go home and help with the kids. We'll go pick up my kids, watch my kids. But all in all, that was a good day. Got an opportunity to hunt from 6 a.m. to about 3 p.m. Took a little hour break. But, you know, productive. Great time in the woods. Didn't see nothing. Didn't see nothing. You know, so as always, kind of, yeah, what it is, I guess. Yeah, what it is, I guess. I'm talking about nothing. Didn't see nothing at all. At all. Been a long day. Had fun. Had some fun. Enjoy spending time in the woods. Didn't see no deer, but it's all good. It is all good. All right. Calling in today, y'all. Been in the woods from 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. Gotta go home and tend to the babies, help out with my kids. So, follow through this call. In my hunt early, but it's cool. I hunted all day yesterday. The majority of the day today. So, didn't see nothing all weekend, but 2 does all weekend. So, and they cool. I don't even think them dogs ain't even breeding. They look like they just lost their spot. Some little goddamn baby fawns or some shit. You know what I'm saying? So, yep. Yeah, so headed back down to headed back down to the house. Headed to the house. Might go look at something right quick. Made it to the house, y'all. I'm gonna get out this truck, get changed, and get in there with my family. Alright, y'all. Gonna get changed. Get out of these hunting clothes, get back in this house. Relax for a little minute. Relax for a little minute. Keep my flowers. Always wear pants and shorts underneath my hunting clothes. Just to wear up. It be cold out there, but you know, I ain't putting on all my cold gear hunting stuff yet. So I just wear pants or a pair of shorts underneath my pants. I've been doing this since I was an athlete. I played ball, y'all. You know you're an athlete, you're a hooper, you're a football player, whatever. You're gonna keep some gym shorts with you at all times. And shit, I'm 35 years old. And I still keep a pair of cleats and hooping shoes in the truck. Just in case one of these young giant turkeys want to try me up or something one of these days. You know what I'm saying? I'm out of shape, I'm old, got my dad body, but still an athlete. Still a world-class athlete any day. Any day. Get back comfortable, man. Get in this house with these kids. Make some wings or something. Find a good movie to watch. Yep. Good one. Keep my hands shooting. Hey man, whenever you just wanna walk through the woods, I ain't got no sponsorship or nothing by these people, man, but these some of the best outdoor walking adventurous shoes on the market. They from No Bull. And right there, you see it? Kinda expensive, but they great. I think these cost me like about $90. But a great pair of outdoor shoes, man. You know what I'm saying? Especially when it's kind of warm and cool. Well, I ain't gonna say kind of warm and cool, but when it's cool enough that the snakes ain't out and you don't want to wear your boots, these go to. But we know when it's kind of warm in the early season, the snakes be out here in Georgia. So I keep my boots on. But, you know, temperature don't drop. It don't got kind of cool, so. You know what I mean? I pull out my Nobles. You know what I mean? They comfortable, lightweight. And keep your feet warm too. I don't think they meant to do that, but I do notice when I wear them and it be super cold outside, my feet gonna be cold. I do notice that. But yeah, man, it was a good day, man. Good last 2 days of hunting. We ain't putting that on the ground, but it's all good, man. Spending time in the woods is always good, man. Spending time with nature, being able to, you know, just get outside is always good. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'll get back with y'all on the next episode. Peace and love. Please comment, like, subscribe to my channel.